I'm Sarah Valentini. I'm the president of Radius Financial Group, and we are headquartered in Norwell, Massachusetts. Radius Financial Group is a mortgage banking company, and we serve the needs of residential finance consumers in New England and Florida. One of the problems that the housing crisis created was we missed almost a decade of young, talented people getting into the mortgage business, because let's face it, it was on every single headline of the horrible industry that brought down the whole entire economy of the United States, and young, talented people didn't want to get into the business, so we missed years of that. The Next Gen IMB program is a program that we came up with at my company because as we looked around and we said, we have a problem. Our workforce is aging, and we need to attract young people to come work for us and to get over that bad stigma of being in the mortgage business. So we created a 12-week program, and we specifically targeted millennials, targeted diverse young talent, and military veterans to come and work with us for 12 weeks and go through a rigorous program to actually teach them the business, because the industry just doesn't have that. People, like, as I said, were not entering the business. Mortgage banking has always had an issue with diversity, and I'll start with a story that is my own story. When I was trying to get into mortgage banking and I interviewed to be a loan officer, I was told by a man that a young woman would not be suited to be a loan officer, that I could become a loan processor if I wanted to and work with the pool of women that process loans, but that I couldn't be a loan officer. And that completely infuriated me and made me push to try to find a company, and I did find actually a woman that took a chance on me and gave me a job as a loan officer. So I think in general, because it is heavily male dominated, it tends to just still have that problem of not being diverse enough. I'm heavily involved with Women Presidents Organization and another women's organization called the Committee of 200. I also participate in the Commonwealth Institute in Boston, and I think that there's a lot of organizations where you can actually find diversity, but you have to go out and look for it. It's not going to necessarily land on your lap. For my role as a CEO, what's important to me is that my company is still there for the next generation. And in order for that to happen, you know, the fastest growing homeowner segment happens to be Latino, and that's followed by African American, and we need to make sure that we are there and we're serving the diverse population of the country. So my job as CEO is I have to make sure that we are completely diverse and we're serving all markets.